ever wonder if a Sephora spree could truly transform your makeup routine? So stick around, and in this haul, I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite things that I just got from Sephora and some new items that I've never tried before. So let's dive in. So this first product is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. I have the medium size. I think there are 3 sizes: this travel size, this size, and then the bigger size. This dry shampoo kind of really helps to absorb oil, sweat, and odor while also adding body and texture, which I really do like. I really want to add some texture and some volume to the hair and body to the hair, so I like that it has that as well. Pretty much this whole reason behind this Sephora haul, or me purchasing stuff from Sephora, was to reorder a Makeup by Mario brow pencil because I recently ordered one and it disappeared. So I have like no idea where it is. So I ended up ordering a new one. This is my favorite eyeliner pencil ever. This is the Makeup by Mario Master Pro Pigment Pencil in Perfect Brown. This is an extremely pigmented professional eye pencil that creates an intense, long-lasting line, and it's really blendable. That I really like that about that. And the other thing I like is that it does have a brush, which I think is amazing. I really do like that this eyeliner has a brush. Okay, I keep forgetting to turn my mic on. Okay, this next product is actually something that I've never had before, and I kind of did, but I wanted to kind of revisit a product like this. This is a color corrector concealer. So, and I've never tried something by this brand too, and I really wanted to try it. This is the caliray Hideaway Under Eye Color Corrector Concealer. I have the shade Sunlight, and it's a long-lasting, lightweight serum-like color corrector that instantly brightens and hydrates under the eye to conceal dark circles, and I absolutely love this concealer. What I actually like to do is I like to mix it with my current favorite concealer. I go through so many of them, and I do really like to mix it into my everyday concealers, and it's just amazing for that. Okay, this next product I've been wanting for a long time. I was like, should I really get it? I wanted to try another foundation, so I picked up the Haus Labs Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. This is in the shade 160 Light Neutral, and I'm wearing it right now. I really do like this foundation, and this is technically my second product from Haus Labs because I actually got one of the eyeshadow palettes, and I love that. I love the eyeshadow palette as well, and I wanted to get something else because I got rid of that eyeshadow palette. So I picked up this, and it's just amazing. I love it. So this is a medium coverage weightless foundation, and it helps to reduce redness. This, I thought it might not be a perfect match, this shade, but it's actually really nice. So I did get a free gift from Sephora. This is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. This is the universal primer. I think this is what it is. I don't know. I like it. I mean, it's cool. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm definitely going to try it in a separate video. And also, I'm going to be doing a separate video on the foundation as well. So, this visibly balancing balm to powder primer for a smooth, refined finish and an all-day absorption of sweat and oil. And I think that is so up my alley. Even though I don't really rely on primers for an everyday look, but I do sometimes use it for a special occasion, so this will definitely come in handy for that. So this is my first Armani product, and I am so glad I got it. I'm wearing it on my eyes right now as an eye base, and I absolutely love it. It is one of my new favorite kind of like eye base products. This is the Armani, what is it called? Oh, Eye Tint Long Lasting Liquid Eyeshadow. And it's just so good. This is a long-lasting, crease-proof liquid eyeshadow. And it has multiple finishes. This one is a matte one, and I know that there's shimmer ones. I haven't looked at all the other ones. It's a 16-hour of buildable color and a lightweight feel. And it's amazing. I do really like the applicator on this. It is really, really pretty. I did definitely want something light. There was like a lot of shades to choose from. And I chose 18M Beige, I think it's called. I don't know. I will have all the products that I'm going to be talking about in the description. But this one is just amazing. I love it. These products that I got from Sephora are some of my new and old favorites from Sephora. And one of the perfect times to shop at Sephora is during the savings event. Definitely do love to shop during that time, because where I can pick up some of the new products that I want to try and splurge on some of the more expensive products as well. So I do have a separate video on what I got from the recent Sephora savings event, so you can go check that out here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!